This afternoon, the DHEC board met and discussed masks for students in schools around the state. During the meeting, both state epidemiologist Dr. Linda Bell, along with Director of Public Health Dr. Brennan Traxler, presented research on the subject and why masks are beneficial to stop the COVID spread. The agency then issued a recommendation for students to wear masks in school and also asked the state legislature to suspend the proviso prohibiting mask mandates in schools. For the DHEC director, he says this is a necessary move.
As a result, I and our public health team recommend that DHEC adopt the same guidance regarding schools it had during the past school year, emphasizing the need for vaccinations and recommending that school districts require all individuals to include students, staff, and visitors to wear a mask while indoors around others.
The South Carolina legislature passed the mask mandate prohibition as part of the state budget effective July the 1st. The state law, which is a one-year budget proviso, says school districts could lose state funding if they mandate masks. A group of bipartisan lawmakers sent a letter to leaders of the House and Senate asking them to call a special session so they can address this proviso. Some lawmakers think it needs to be overturned, while others still support it.
I did ask that the General Assembly come back because I do feel like those people that voted to put this mask proviso in place need the opportunity to change that vote if they would so choose, because I believe that at the end of the day, children are going to lose their lives if they're given the opportunity to not wear masks in large group settings. But most of all, I believe that if you simply read the proviso, this is a budget proviso. It's not permanent law. It simply says that you can't use state money to enforce this mask mandate.
I don't think the General Assembly needs to come back in for a special session. I supported the proviso. I continue to support the proviso. I've always believed and continued to believe that parents know best for their children, knows what's best for their children, not some government bureaucrat or agency. This should be a choice for parents.
The Speaker of the House and Senate President have the authority to call lawmakers back into session. If that does not happen, the issue of whether schools can mandate masks may be discussed in court.